The Porter Lady Spartans softball team has come through the season with 6 district wins. And with 7 seniors leaving the team, it's time for a solid group of juniors to step up.
Yeah, I mean, they've done it all year long. This was their time to shine. This is their last moment here, and they've done a good job all season. Being kind of the leaders and stepping up and really buying in. This is my first year here, so they've bought into the culture that I've tried to bring, and I think they set a good foundation in that for the kids that do have to follow them here.
Still, even with a great deal of effort in building a team, their record of 13 wins and 14 losses show they never give up. Coach Heather Moser says her large group of juniors returning next year have learned how to handle themselves no matter what the scoreboard reads.
That's definitely something that I've been pushing, just because we haven't been as successful as we all would have liked. But this game is more about the game of softball and more about winning and losing. It's about developing relationships and friendships and learning through adversity and dealing with the losses and learning how to overcome those things.